Okay. So, yes, very good afternoon, everyone. We will wait for just 5 minutes. We will let everyone join the session till 3:05, and then we will start at 3:05 p.m. Okay, very warm welcome to everyone into FlexiFunnel. Okay, we will wait for just 2 more minutes. Some more participants are joining. Welcome, Nisha ji. Very good afternoon. Okay, 1 more minute. We will wait for just 1 more minute and then we will start the session. So just before starting the confirmation, let me give you introduction about myself. So I am Nitesh Sahu. I am working in FlexiFunnel as a customer success manager, and I'll be taking your onboarding session today. And first of all, a very warm welcome to the FlexiFunnel family, everyone. I and we are really happy to welcome you to our platform, and I personally wish you become very successful with the goals you have came to our platform, with the hope you have came with our to our platform. I really I'll be working towards along with my entire team to make that happen. Okay, thank you, everyone. So now we will start with everyone. So first of all, after my introduction, I want to ask everyone, you can, if you have received your credentials or not. Have you received your FlexiFunnel login credentials? If you have received, you can write Y in the chat. If you have not received, you can just mention N in the chat. Uh, okay. Uh, can anyone reply me why or no in the chat? Ankita ji, Nisha ji, Prabhakaran ji, Abhishek ji, can you please mention why or no? Have you received the uh, login credentials or not? Okay. Yes. Okay. Great. Uh, Great. Okay. Great. You have received login credentials. Thank you. Okay. Great. What about Vishek ji and Bhushan ji, have you received the credentials before starting the session? I want everyone just making sure everyone has joined it from laptop and not from the mobile, because when we are will be going through the session, we you will be doing tasks along with me. So I want everyone to join from your laptop or system, not from the mobile. Okay. And if you have received the credentials, just I'm sharing the link of the login, the link on which you need to log in. I have shared it. Just you log into this link on your desktop or PC or your system and log into your account. So your account should look like this. How I am presenting my screen, it should look like this. In your computer, you should be in this page where you're logged into your dashboard page basically. Okay, so first of all, let me uh, give a clear instruction. This session will be in English. Is there someone who wants session to be mixed in Hindi and English, or everybody is comfortable with English? If you are comfortable with English, you can just type E. If you are comfortable with mix of Hindi and English, you can type H. Okay, E, E, H. Okay, no issues. So just what I'll do, I'll take the session in English, and if there is something very difficult or I need to make it understand in a better way, I will explain that in a layman's term in Hindi as well. Okay, that works so that everyone is on the same page. Okay, 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 guys. Okay, so now, first of all, I hope you all have opened this FlexiFunnel dashboard screen and you are on your dashboard screen, because today you're not only going to see what we are doing, but along with me, you're also going to, in this session, you're also going to do the steps which I'll be doing. You'll be following my steps and continuing the same thing I'll be doing here. Okay. Okay, welcome. I again welcome everyone. Welcome to the second part of the onboarding session. Okay, so let's discuss about today's agenda. So the today agenda is, first we will create your landing page. First, how to create your first landing page. We will go through that. Then we will have a detailed overview of the templates DFI done for you templates inside FlexiFunnels. Along with that, we will also cover the AI website builder, how you can create your website, sales pages, or checkout pages, any pages using the given templates and using the AI site builder. Okay. Then we will be going through the settings and integrations inside Flexi. Okay. And then we will be covering your payment gateway. Subsequently, after that, we will be creating your first product here. Okay, then detailed overview of the entire support channels, like what kind of support you have and where to reach out. I'll be discussing in each of these topics in very detailed way. So do not worry. आप लोगों को कोई चिंता करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं, ये सारी चीजें हम बहुत ही डिटेल्ड वे में कवर करेंगे, ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट। दिस इज जस्ट अ ये सिर्फ इंपॉर्टेंट बुलेट पॉइंट्स हैं जिसपे आज हम पूरा नेक्स्ट 2 आवर्स जो हम डिटेल्ड वे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ठीक है। Then we will cover the roadmap of FlexiFunnel. So यहाँ पे roadmap will be very different. I'll come on to that and much more, obviously. So first of all, before I start the session, I want everybody, are you clear on your goals, what you want to do? Are you going to be freelancing? Are you going to be a course creator? Are you going to be, or is there someone who has not decided yet what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do? Is there someone who has not decided? He can drop in the chat ND so that I can know he has not decided. Okay, product selling. Great. Is there someone who is also looking for free? Okay, freelancer. Great. You are into flexi for freelancing. Great. Someone else, is someone here for course creation? Okay, course creation. Okay. Is someone here for consulting business or lead generation? Okay. No worries. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I believe everyone, okay, not decided. I got one not decided. So, first thing I want to clear someone who has not decided, there is nothing to worry about because in this session, we will be going to cover each and everything. If you have not decided what you can do, I'll be guiding you, and our entire team will be guiding you. I'll show how you'll be getting the guidance from our side. I'll explain each and everything. Okay. So let's begin, guys. Hope we will having a more wonderful session. Okay. So now we will be starting with creating your first landing page inside FlexiFunnel with the help of DFY templates. So what you need to do, you all need to log into this FlexiFunnel. So how you need to log in? I believe you have the credentials. You go to app.flexifunnels, the link which I have already shared in the chat. You just go through the link and log in and come to this page. Okay, so this is the home page. First of all, I'll give you a short introduction, a short brief about FlexiFunnel. But before that, I want to tell you guys a little bit about FlexiFunnel. So see, I'm sure you have attended multiple sessions inside FlexiFunnel, what it is, and how it is going to help your business. Okay, but I believe this will be the first or second time when you're inside the system and you're, seeing how things are happening, how things will be going on. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Just I'm getting okay. So let me make you very clear. Like FlexiFunnel is a platform where you will be able to do a lot of things at a single platform. So for everyone, it will not be a very easy walk in a cake. Okay, it will take some time to you to cover all the details to bring that expertise level. It will take some time because see, this is a software where you can do I believe 60 or 50 different things, okay, relevant to your business, which will help you grow your business in very different ways. So be assured it will take some time, but the only way you will be able to be expertise in this when you give consistent efforts on a daily basis. So my expectation from you is at least you give 1 hour on a daily basis for next 30 days, or let's say for next 30 days. If you cannot give every day, just plan it out, just like your job or just like your business. Take it, bring this into your habit, that no matter what happens, at least 1 hour on all my working days or on my off days, I'll be giving, at least 1.5 hour or 2 hours if required. Some days I'll devote this time to the system to understand the system in the first month. Why it is important and why I'm explaining this, because see, this is a product which you have taken to earn revenue from it, to earn money out of the system. Using FlexiFunnel, you want to earn a lot of you want to scale your business. So the system will not be easy, but I'll assure you, if you just focus and go through the sessions how I guide you, and bring your consistent efforts on a daily basis, at least 5 days in a week, I assure you of success in next 30 to 45 days. That is my surety. Okay. Okay. I hope everybody is clear. If somebody is not clear, you can, and the chat box is open. If someone is having any problem, you can let me know. And just for the time sake, I'll remind, I will not go in a very slow pace. This session will be is being recorded, and after the session is completed, you will be getting recordings of these session along with all the documents which I am going through in this session. So need not to worry about. And apart from that, you will be getting all the helps you need from us, from our team. I'll show how you'll be getting help, how things will work out, how you need to book call. Each and everything will be taken care of. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome again to FlexiFunnel, and I wish you everyone, a great success using our product. Thank you so much. So now, first of all, I hope everybody is on the same page. So let me quickly explain a little bit about this page. When you land to this very first page, there you see multiple options: dashboard, products, projects, funnels, apps. Okay, so I'll just give you, and this is the overview section where you see overview, products, projects. I believe you can see overview, projects, project reports, product reports, currency, days. And this is nothing but basically, this is what, uh, if you are selling any product, the analytics is reflecting here. So, suppose that you're selling a ebook, regarding diet. You're a dietitian. So, how many sales you got today? How many visits you got today? How many revenue you got today? All the things will be reflected here. Obviously, everything is not reflected here. This is just the main thing. The major thing which you need is reflected here. For details, we will be deep diving into the into the product analytics section where you can see each and every details in a very detailed manner. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is the first page where you land on the platform. Now this is our FlexiFunnel logo. If you click here, nothing will happen. So do not click here, guys. This is product section, which I'll cover in a later section. This is project section. Project, you can consider project is, suppose that you want to sell a ebook. So you have to create a project first. Project means a place, because you do nothing without a project. All the products will be coming under a project. So my, if I, let's suppose if I'm a person who want to sell ebooks regarding a diet. Okay, I'm a dietitian and I'm also willing to launch a course. Okay, regarding, let's say, losing weight. So both these things will come. I'll make two different projects for both of them. Okay, yeah. So next thing is funnel. So funnel is nothing like, you can consider the step by step way. I'll be covering how, the basic funnel, but obviously you can get this, get come to know about this in details in later section. Okay. And the next part is app. So app is also very important part. Just remember this app section is very important. If you click here, you'll go through a lot of option, flexi proof, AI marketing agent, split test, AI site builder, viral. These are, do not get intimidated by these terms and these many things. This is just, yes, you'll be getting the recording, so nothing to worry about. If you are late, do not worry, you'll be getting the recorded session. This session is being recorded, so do not worry. Okay. Okay, so I was explaining, first of all, do not get intimidated by these many things, because first time, obviously you are seeing it for the first time or second time. So it might be you are intimidated, but there is nothing to worry about. बहुत easy चीजें हैं, बहुत चीजें बहुत sorted है. So worry करने का कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है. हर किसी का एक different purpose है. Everything has their own purpose and they had their own functionality. हर कुछ का अपना एक function है जो मैं आपको explain करूंगा definitely. Okay. So this is about app. Now you see this setting part. So this is something setting, जहाँ पे settings में हर जगह होते हैं. कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर आप यूज करो तो settings में आपको जाना होता है. I'll cover in details. इसके बारे में मैं फिर से डिटेल्स में कवर करूंगा in details. Okay. Now this is your profile, guys. अगर यहाँ पे ना आपके, you'll always see the first letter of your name. If you have logged in, the first letter of your name will reflect like this. And if you click on profile, let's suppose you click on profile, you can see your details over there. You can see your password and you can subscription. Here, as this is a admin account, you see only cancel subscription, but you can also see your end date when your subscription is being added here. In profile section, your subscription plan ends on August 6, 2026. I believe everybody is visible, can check this. Okay. Now, please see here very carefully. This is three lines beside your, this is something very, very important part, because if you click here, you go to the all the sub menus which we have over here. We have switched to sub user, manage sub user, gallery, knowledge base. So knowledge base is very important. Remember, for now, remember, although everything is very important, but for now, do note that knowledge base is very important. So I'll show why it is very important. This is video tutorial, guys. Okay, this is also important. This is timeline domination, again, very, very important thing. This is roadmap and feature request. Say, so from here, you will come to know. what we are planning ahead in future, what we are planning, and what are the features people have requested, our users are requesting, which feature requests are getting lots of vote, so that we get an idea like next which feature, which product we need to come across with for you. Okay. Now this is what's new. What's new means what new thing which we have came across. Let's suppose, for example, Flexi Viral is new thing, which is a new product which we came with. Okay. So if you click on what's new, you'll see all the details. And I request everyone to stay updated with these things because these are very important things. Okay. This is switch to affiliate and this is template. So for now, you can ignore these two things. You'll come to know in a detailed way in future. But right now, will focus on the major parts. Okay. So just summarizing here, what are the very important things? This knowledge base is very important. Video tutorials is important. Video tutorials is mainly the complete FlexiFunnel as a software. What are the things which are present? What are the functionalities? Or what are there? I'll show one by one everything. Just 1 second. Let me click. Just let me click. Okay. So now if I'll click to, first of all, I'll go to knowledge base. So guys, this is knowledge base. Okay. This is the part knowledge base. See here. आई सभी को दिख रहा है ये नॉलेज बेस, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये तीन चीजें ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो इनका हमेशा यूज करना। कैसे आता है ये तीन चीज? यहाँ पे थ्री लाइंस पे आप क्लिक करोगे तो नॉलेज बेस, वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स, टाइमलाइन डोमिनेशन, ये तीन चीजें आपको आ जाएंगी। नॉलेज बेस पे आप जब क्लिक करोगे तो यहाँ पे जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आपको हो रही है ना सिस्टम पे, आप यहाँ पे सर्च कर सकते हो उस प्रॉब्लम को, उसका वीडियो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपको मिल जाएगा। यू गेट द वीडियो ऑफ वट एवर प्रॉब्लम यू विल बी हैविंग इन आवर सिस्टम। Like let's say if you are facing issues with domain integration, you can search I want to facing domain integration. Let's suppose domain integration. Okay. Okay, so you get the option how to integrate your domain with FlexiFunnel, Hostinger, domain integration, GoDaddy domain integration, view all 15. So if you click on view all 15, so this is something which I'll discuss in future. So similarly, this is second topic which I informed you, video tutorials. So if you click, you'll come to this page, video tutorials. So I think someone has just 1 second. Okay. So I hope everybody is following me and everybody is paying attention, guys. Okay. So trusting on you guys. So see, this is the video tutorials which you must go through. This is AI website builder. So complete tutorials on how AI website builder works, complete tutorials on how AI marketing agent works. Okay, this is just one video, but it will give you all the knowledge, all the working knowledge which you require. Okay, this is project editor, and similarly, you can go through. See, domain integration is also covered here. How to integrate GoDaddy hosting a WPX Cloudflare domain if you purchase through. Okay, so now you go to products, checkout, and coupon. Everything is mentioned in details over here. Okay, so I hope everybody is clear, guys. So this is what video tutorials look like, and you must go through video tutorials. If you want to work. Now, next is timeline domination. So, timeline domination you can consider a gold mine where regarding our software, everything, every tutorial is present. But apart from this, there are a lot of other things which we have also covered. Okay. So, lot of, say, if you go to FlexiFunnel tutorials, you'll get all the learnings regarding, the FlexiFunnel software itself, how the software works. You'll get to know everything in FlexiFunnel tutorials. But these are the things. Say, this is 15-day challenge. Okay. So, if someone is willing to launch their course, 15-day challenge is very important challenge you should attend. So if you click here, you'll go to the 15-day challenge. Everything is mentioned, day one, day two, day three. And if you just complete this 15-day challenge, I'm guaranteeing you 90% of your course creation journey will be done here. Okay. Now, there are so many other things. So this is immediate traffic secret. Okay. So this is something FB ads. If you are willing to launch Facebook ads, So you need to learn this. So not there is 48 lessons, but you do not need to go through the 48 lessons. Okay, you can just click on it and go through the latest modules which we have over here. Okay, but do remember, guys, we will not, after attending this FB session, you'll not be an expert of Facebook, because being an expert in Facebook ads, you require at least 6 to 8 months of dedicated time to Facebook ads training. Okay, but you will know everything how to run ads, and the FlexiFunnel will also help you in creating and mastering the ad copies, ad hooks. Okay, so you can explore this. I'll discuss about this in going forward also. But here is a quick overview. I hope everything is clear. Now I will move to the first thing, which is project. Creating your first landing page. Okay. So see, you can see there are a lot of projects over here. So you need not to be worried about all these projects. You'll not be seeing this. You'll only be seeing blank because you have not created anything yet. So to create a new project, you have to click on create project. Now there are a lot of different projects here. You see collect email, sales funnel, product launch, launch a course, host a webinar, custom funnel. So what this means is collect a email. If you choose this project, your goal is to only collect email IDs of the user, okay, who is coming to your website. You are only willing to collect their email IDs. Okay, now this is sales funnel project. So see, in sales funnel there are a lot of pages: email opt-in pages, thank you pages, sales page, checkout page, upsell page, order confirmation page, and thank you page. Okay, now, next is product launch. So if you are launching any product, there is email opt-in page. Okay. Obviously, email opt-in page will be there. Thank you page, sales page, checkout page, order confirmation page, and thank you page. Okay. You can go through this. Everything is mentioned in details. So suppose someone is launching a course, there will be a membership area. Okay. Where they will be launching course, which you will come to know in details in the video tutorials and the FlexiFunnel tutorials. Okay. Now, if someone is willing to host a webinar, so their funnel will be very simple, just a webinar registration page and confirmation page. Similarly, just remember, guys, how you came to FlexiFunnel. After watching ads on, Facebook or Insta, you landed to our webinar registration page. There you registered on a webinar, and that, and then you confirm and you got a confirmation email. Okay. Now there is a custom funnel page. Okay, so I'll choose that. So in a funnel, basically, if you are, let's suppose if you are selling any product, anything, three pages must be there. First is sales page, second is checkout page, and third is thank you page. In any funnel, most of the funnel where you're launching course or you're selling any product, ये तीन चीजें होनी चाहिए. क्या एक funnel पे होनी चाहिए? एक sales page होना चाहिए, दूसरा आपका thank you page होना चाहिए, और तीसरा आपका सॉरी चेकआउट पेज होना चाहिए, एंड देन थैंक यू पेज होना चाहिए. सो आई विल क्रिएट अ कस्टम फनल. ओके, लेट्स क्रिएट अ कस्टम फनल पेज. लेट्स क्रिएट. यहाँ पे आपको प्रोजेक्ट नेम देना पड़ेगा. तो कोई सा भी आप वो प्रोजेक्ट का नाम दे सकते हैं. आप क्या नाम दोगे? अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आप कोई एक मतलब लेट्स सपोज आप एक ई बुक सेल करना चाह रहे हो रिगार्डिंग, टेक इट एनी एग्जांपल, आप किसी भी चीज के, फॉर एग्जांपल आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सिखाना चाह रहे हो, तो आप वहां पे प्रोजेक्ट नाम वो डालोगे जो आपको समझ में रहे, कि आपके पास हैंडी हो, आपको समझ में आए कि हाँ क्या प्रोजेक्ट नेम आपने डाल रखा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप डालोगे. मैं डाल देता हूँ आज का ऑनबोर्डिंग सेशन पार्ट 2 है, तो 6 पार्ट 2. ओके, आई क्रिएट. मैं आपको एक प्रोडक्ट सेलिंग फनल, एक डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट सेल का फनल क्रिएट करके अभी शो कर दूंगा कैसे होता है. सो ये शो करने के तीन, मैंने आपको बताया था, दो तरीके हैं. ये सारे जो आप देख रहे हैं ना गाइस, जस्ट वेट फॉर अ सेकंड, ये सारे हमारे पास डन फॉर यू टेम्पलेट है, DFY. ठीक है, डन फॉर DFT. जो डन फॉर यू टेम्पलेट्स होते हैं ना, ये सारे 700 प्लस डन फॉर यू टेम्पलेट्स है. और यहाँ पे गौर से देखना, यहाँ पे सारी चीजें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है। ईमेल ऑप्ट इन का टेम्पलेट्स अलग मिलेगा आपको, ठीक है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप प्रीव्यू करोगे इसको, तो देखो ईमेल ऑप्ट इन का अगर पेज होता है, तो आप बस ईमेल कलेक्ट करना चाह रहे हो, तो उसका उसका जो है टेम्पलेट बहुत सिंपल है, हमने दे दिया है। लर्न इन डिमांड स्किल, गेट हाई पेइंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज, नेम, ईमेल आईडी, योर कोर्स, स्टार्ट टुडे, $70। तो यहाँ पे आपने ईमेल आईडी कलेक्ट कर लिया, दिस इज वेरी सिंपल गाइस। सिमिलरली, है ना। अब यहाँ पे आपको एक नया पेज ऐड करना है, सो आई विल ऐड न्यू पेज। ओके, अब पेज का आप नाम सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे आप देखो, सॉरी, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे सेल्स पेज का आपको टेम्पलेट्स दिया हुआ है, रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट्स। आप ये टेम्पलेट्स रेडीमेड यूज कर सकते हो, इसमें जो भी कस्टमाइजेशन आप करना चाहते हो, वट एवर कस्टमाइजेशन यू नीड टू डू इन दीज टेम्पलेट्स, यू कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ एडिटर, विच आई विल बी शोइंग यू गाइज वेरी शॉर्टली। So nothing to worry about. Do not worry. I'll be showing you guys everything how you can do this. But I hope everybody is on the same page. Okay. Similarly, प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च का जो है, ये यहाँ पे मैंने आपको शो कर दिया, ये देखिए प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च का टेम्पलेट है। सिमिलरली थैंक यू पेज का टेम्पलेट है, एंड सारे पेजेस का आपको अलग अलग जो है टेम्पलेट्स आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पे। You'll get all the templates done for you templates. There are more than 700 working templates which you can choose from. So now what I'll be doing, I'll be adding, let's suppose a new page. Page name will be, let's say, uh, 06 Jan sales page. Now सेल्स पेज, ऑब्वियसली आई एम क्रिएटिंग सेल्स पेज गाइस। तो यहाँ पे पेज टाइप आपको चूज करना है ना, यू हैव टू चूज द पेज टाइप, सो यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट द सेल्स पेज हियर। ओके, बी माइंडफुल, ये चूज करते टाइम बी वेरी माइंडफुल, जो पेज आप क्रिएट करना चाह रहे हैं उस तरह का आपको पेज टाइप चूज करना है। ओके, वाई, क्योंकि फिर वहां पे आपको वैसी फंक्शनैलिटी मिलेंगे। ओके, आई होप ये चीजें क्लियर है, अगर नहीं क्लियर है तो मैं एक बार फिर से आपको बता दूंगा। तो लेट्स सपोज यहाँ पे मैंने ऐड कर लिया एक पेज। अगर आप लेट सपोज सेल्स पेज के बजाय अगर आप चेकआउट पेज कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे आपको चेकआउट पेज चूज करना होगा गाइस, ठीक है। एंड सिमिलरली अगर थैंक यू पेजेस आप चूज करते हो, तो थैंक यू पेज अगर आप बना रहे हो, तो थैंक यू पेज आपको यहाँ पे पेज टाइप में चूज करना है, क्योंकि सेल्स पेज का कंटेंट अलग होगा, अ, ठीक है। और हर पेज का कंटेंट अलग होता है गाइस, इसी वजह से, ठीक है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट इज टेकिंग सो मच टाइम, जस्ट गिव मी 1 सेकंड। Okay, correct. So this sales page has been created for me. Now I will create another page. Let's take a name, checkout page. 06 Jan. यहाँ पे पेज टाइप हम क्या चूज करेंगे? ऑब्वियसली गाइस चेकआउट पेज चूज करेंगे। क्लियर है, इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना। ओके, एंड नाउ थर्ड पेज वी विल चूज इज 06 Jan। थैंक यू। तो अब बताओ आप सब यहाँ पे, आ, यहाँ पे हम कौन सा पेज चूज करेंगे? मुझे कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me which page I need to choose here? Anyone? Just a second. Let me come to the cell. Okay. So I will ask someone any random. भूषण जी, प्लीज लेट मी नो हम यहाँ पे कौन सा पेज चूज करेंगे? भूषण जी, हेलो। Okay, so guys, no issues. We will check the thank you page over here. I believe सभी को मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है. It's clearly visible. We will choose the thank you page. Okay. अगर मैं फिर से एक बार करके दिखा देता हूँ, यहाँ पे आपको जाना है ऐड न्यू पेज में, यहाँ पे लेट सपोज 06 Jan, हमने पेज का नाम जो भी डालना है हमें वो हमने पिक कर दिया, थैंक यू पेज डाल दिया। अब यहाँ पे आपको पेज टाइप चूज करना है जब, तो आपको यहाँ पे हाँ, थैंक यू पेज, यू हैव टू चूज थैंक यू पेज। ओके, सो ये तीन पेज हमने चूज कर लिया है यहाँ पे। नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, ठीक है, किसी को क्लैरिटी अगर चाहिए तो यू कैन आस्क मी, यू नो, एनीथिंग, एनी टाइम, आई विल ट्राई टू गिव यू ऑल द क्लैरिटीज राइट नाउ। लेट सपोज अब हम क्या करेंगे ना गाइस, ये सेल्स पेज हम डिजाइन करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर एआई साइट बिल्डर, ये, एंड देन वी विल डिजाइन दिस चेकआउट पेज एंड थैंक यू पेज यूजिंग डन फॉर यू टेम्पलेट्स। तो पहले हम चेकआउट पेज डिजाइन कर लेते हैं, कोई सा भी एक टेम्पलेट आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो गाइस यहाँ पे, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, जो भी टेम्पलेट आपको अच्छा लग रहा है आप चूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है, यहाँ पे अपने अकॉर्डिंग। एंड सेम गोज फॉर थैंक यू पेज के लिए भी, यहाँ पे भी कोई सा भी टेम्पलेट आप चूज कर सकते हो, आपको जो टेम्पलेट अच्छा लग रहा है आप उस टेम्पलेट को जो है यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, चूज कर सकते हो। बट यहाँ पे चेकआउट पेज पे आपको टेम्पलेट चूज करने के लिए यहाँ पे चेकआउट पे आना है, चेकआउट पेज वाले टेम्पलेट्स आपको चूज करने होंगे, बी माइंडफुल ऑफ दिस। ठीक है, तो लेट सपोज यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा भी चेकआउट, चेकआउट यहाँ पे देखिए, चेकआउट पेज का जो भी टेम्पलेट है, here you'll see lot of small checkout options here, okay, written over here, so that way you can find, okay, this is a checkout template. Let's suppose I'll choose this template, this checkout template. Let's see. Okay. Now, okay. And similarly, in thank you page also, in thank you page, we have to choose the thank you page template. Yes. If you are using done for you templates, we have to use thank you page templates. Okay. So let's take any random. You can choose anyone you like. यहाँ पे tons of options है, आपको बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे. You see, there are a lot of options of thank you page template. You can choose any of them of your choice. Okay. So let's choose, no, not this. Let's choose anyone यार, कुछ भी choose कर लेते हैं. Let's choose this one only. So, okay. And now for sales page, just one second. Now for sales page, what we will do, uh, we will create a sales page using not for done for you template, but using our AI site builder. So how we will create using AI site builder? Let me go through this. So if you see apps, there in apps, you can go to AI site builder. There is a AI site builder, Flexi AI site builder option. You can choose on that. I've opened a new tab. I'll go to that tab here. Okay. But I request everyone, see, here you'll get these three options. Choose any single page website you can create. If you want to create a website, you can these single prompt website. If you want to create a sales page design, you can use this. If you want to create a webinar registration page, especially useful for course creator and those who are taking webinars. So this is how this is the option you are going to choose, the webinar registration. Okay. Now, let's suppose I'll give you a quick introduction. Here is a tutorial button. So I recommend everyone before going through and using this, you have to go through the tutorials. Okay, because this is not free, guys. Uh, you must have 20 credit points, AI credit points. So one AI credit points is equals to one prompt, no matter the length of the prompt. If you can give the prompt of one word or 1,000 word, if you given one command or one prompt, that will be counted as one message. Okay, and you have got 20. After 20 you need to buy messages, so messages are expensive. For 5 messages you need to spend $12, for 12 messages you need to spend $21, and for 20 messages you need to spend $32. Okay, so be mindful of this, guys. Okay, but I can assure you the number of projects which you have right now is enough to create 20 or 15 to 20 different type of pages of your liking, if you use it in a mindful way. Okay, So let's take any example. I want to create a sales page. So okay, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, so now I want reply from you guys. So if you are with me, write M in the chat box. Everyone, please mention M so that I can know like you are following me, you are with me, and you are on the same page. Okay, great. I got 2M. Anyone? Any more M? Only 2% are following my instructions. Am I taking session that bad? Okay. Okay, great. Great. Okay, I have got 3 M's, 4 M's. Okay. 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 Sanjita ji, you can also write M if you want. Saurabh Haldar ji, you can write M. Mr. Tomar ji, you can write M if you are following my instructions. Okay. And I want everybody to be very mindful and very focused over here. Okay. So let's take an example. I want to, let's say, create a sales page, high quality sales page for my diet plan. For my diet plan ebook, I want for my diet plan and also attach WhatsApp button on the page. Okay, attach a WhatsApp button on the page. In intelligent. ठीक है, so see यहाँ पे guys please check here. I have got 7 credit messages. If I exhaust this 7 messages, I'll have to buy again. Okay, so now if I submit, click here on the green button, this will create, it will start the AI website builder will start creating ebooks. Okay, it will start creating my sales page. So this how easy things are now with FlexiFunnel, and I'll show you. It will take 15 to 20 minutes, I believe, of your time to create this page. Okay, it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so what we will do, we will let it create the pages. In the meanwhile, मैं एक बार हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ गाइस, यहाँ पे जब हमने बी माइंडफुल, जो क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स है बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, तो इसको आपको ठीक से यूज करना है। ठीक से यूज करने का मेरा मतलब है, पहले आपको ट्यूटोरियल समझ लेना है। यहाँ पे भी आप जाओगे तो फ्लेक्सी फनल, ये जो ट्यूटोरियल्स है ना, वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स, अगर इस पे भी आप क्लिक करोगे तो वहां पे सबसे पहला ट्यूटोरियल्स एआई वेबसाइट बिल्डर का दिया हुआ है। देख रहे हो आप लोग? तो ये 20 लेसन भले आपको दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन 1.5 घंटे में ये 20 के 20 लेसन आप फिनिश कर लोगे। ठीक है, तो नंबर पे मत जाना। 20 लेसन बहुत छोटे छोटे लेसन है, इसको जरूर से देखना। एआई मार्केटिंग एजेंट जरूर से देखना। उसके बाद ही इन चीजों पे आप काम करना शुरू करना। क्योंकि और इसको सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है कि इसको आप क्लोन भी कर सकते हो। अगर इस वेबसाइट जो बना है इसका कोई पार्ट आपको बहुत पसंद आ रहा है तो उसको आप सेव कर सकते हो। कल को मैं अगर कोई दूसरा सेल्स पेज बनाता हूँ, दूसरा कोई पेज बनाता हूँ, तो मुझे अगर कोई सेक्शन, जैसे सबसे लास्ट वाला कॉन्टेक्ट अस का सेक्शन बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं उसको किसी भी पे भी यूज कर सकता हूँ दोबारा से भी। ठीक है गाइस? तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, इसको बनने दो। ये देखिए यहाँ पे वो कोडिंग कर रहा है, सारी चीजें वो कोड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। हम इसे बनने देंगे। वी विल नॉट इंटरप्ट इट, लेट इट बी रनिंग इन द बैकग्राउंड। इन द मीन वाइल वी विल वर्क अपॉन द checkout page and sales page. So now here you see there are 4 5 different options. Okay, so this is the edit button. When you come to the checkout page, if you click on this button, you'll be able to edit this checkout page. This is the share URL. So page URL. Say for example, what is page URL? Say for example, www.google.com is the name of the URL. Similarly, this is the URL. Okay. This here the address bar, in the address bar, whatever you are seeing is a URL. So of this page, this checkout page, this is the URL, page URL. If I click this, you see it has taken to you to this page. Okay. I hope I am clear, guys. I am able to explain you in proper way. मेरी इंग्लिश में आई एम ट्राइंग टू कीप माई इंग्लिश वेरी सिंपल so that everybody is able to understand. Okay. So you can, if someone, let's suppose you want to share this checkout page link to your friend, you can just, copy this and share to your page URL. You can go to the page URL, copy this and share. This is report, guys. If you click here, you will get to see all the reports. With the reports, I mean how many people have viewed your pages, everything, their email ID, phone number, IP address, and each and every details you can see on the report part. Now what I'll do, I'll go to edit options. Okay. On the edit option, you see there is you get this edit options over here. Okay. If you click this plus option, you get you get lot of editable options here. Okay. So this you will not be able to get it in one single day, but it will take some time for you to edit all the details. If you want to, I'll show you the basic thing how to edit some things. Let's suppose if you want to edit this text, you can simply double click here and you can edit the text here by test. Okay. If you want to change color, you can change color. If you want to make it bold, you can do lot of things, guys. See, there is a setting options. If you check, if you'll see, there is a orange setting button. I believe everybody is able to see my page. करेक्ट ओके ओके मैं हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ ठीक है तो गाइज यहाँ पे ना पेज को एडिट करने का ये बहुत सारा आपको ऑप्शंस मिलेगा ठीक है तो ये सारे ऑप्शंस आपको तुरंत समझ नहीं आएंगे मुझे इसलिए ये तुरंत समझ में आ रहा है ताकि मैं बहुत दिन से ये चीजें कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे आप अपना लोगो भी डाल सकते हो ठीक है तो इसको सीखने के लिए समझने के लिए आपको क्या करना अगेन फ्लेक्सी फनल ट्यूटोर वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स में आप जाएंगे ना तो यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट एडिटर ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप बिल्डर पे अगर आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आपको बहुत डिटेल में समझाया हुआ है ठीक है तो इसको आप एक बार डिटेल में जरूर से देखिएगा आपको पूरा नॉलेज मिल जाएगा कैसे ये प्रोजेक्ट एडिटर काम करता है ईच एंड एवरी फंक्शनैलिटी कैसे काम करती है वो आपको समझ में आएगा लेकिन बेसिक चीजें जो है ऐड करने के लिए मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कैसे होगा अगर आपको टेक्स्ट एडिट करना है यहाँ पे तो सिंपली यू नीड टू क्लिक है यहाँ पे आपको आप जो भी टेक्स्ट डालना चाह रहे हो जैसे मैंने अभी दिखाया इसका आप अगर कलर चेंज करना चाह रहे हो फिल कलर अगर आप कोई कलर फिल करना चाह रहे हो कोई डिफरेंट कलर कुछ भी जैसे आप करते थे ना मतलब सेम उसी तरह से आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग कुछ भी चीजें जो है कर पाओगे ठीक है यहाँ पे फिर से एक ऑरेंज सेटिंग का बटन जो आता है यहाँ पे आप इस पे क्लिक करके बहुत सारे चेंजेस कर सकते हो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सेटिंग आप देख सकते हो क्या है क्या नहीं एडवांस सेटिंग है बेसिक सेटिंग है पोजीशन है ओपीक्ले है बहुत सारी चीजें हैं तो ये एक बार आप देखोगे तो समझ में आएगा और मैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप सभी को यही रिकमेंड करूंगा कि इनिशियली ज्यादा पहले सीखिए उसके बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा एडिट करके सीखना शुरू करिए ठीक है मैं फॉर एग्जांपल आपको यहाँ पे ये एडिट कर दिया मैंने अभी लेट सपोज यहाँ पे मैं एक ऑप्शन चूज करता हूँ लेट सपोज यहाँ पे मुझे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस का पेज डालना है तो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड करा ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप है guys, ये बहुत ईजी है कंपोनेंट ठीक है लेट सपोज एनी एलिमेंट में अगर कोई मुझे फोटो डालना है यहाँ पे लेट सपोज यहाँ पे मुझे कोई फोटो इंसर्ट करना है मैंने सिंपली ये इमेज को क्लिक करा यहाँ पे ड्रैग करके यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया ये यहाँ पे फोटो आ गया अब लेट सपोज क्या और अगर आपको कोई अपना वीडियो ऐड करना है कहीं पे भी ऐड करना है आपने यहाँ पे वीडियो का सेक्शन दिख रहा है ये वीडियो सेलेक्ट करा यहाँ पे आपने डाल दिया ठीक है guys? तो दिस इज हाउ इजी थिंग्स आर ओके अब यहाँ पे अगर ये फोटो आपको चेंज करना है गाइस तो सिंपल है सेटिंग में जाना है ठीक है ये डबल क्लिक आपने किया तो कोई सा भी इमेज अगर डाइटिशियन के रिगार्डिंग में है तो मेरे ख्याल से ये प्लान में चूज कर लेता हूँ ठीक है ये फोटो मेरे ख्याल से ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है या फोटो पे आपका चेंज हो गया यू गॉट गॉट योर ओन फोटो ठीक है यहाँ पे डॉलर को आप चेंज में कर सकते हो अगर कुछ भी चेंज करना है आप रुपीज डाल सकते हो एनीथिंग यू वांट टू चेंज गाइस यहाँ पे फोटो ब्लैंक आपको दिख रहा है आप क्योंकि हमने कोई फोटो नहीं डाला तो लेट सपोज कोई फोटो डालना है डबल क्लिक करा हमने एक कोई सा भी ये फोटो हमने फॉर एग्जांपल डाल दी। वीडियो डालना है हमें, सेटिंग में गए हम, जनरल सेटिंग में, ठीक है। सेटिंग्स में जाना है, यहाँ पे वीडियो यूआरएल का ऑप्शन जो दिख रहा है वो हमें डालना है। यहाँ पे www.youtube.com पे गए, कोई सा भी डाइट, लेट सपोज ये वाला वीडियो का हमें पुट करना है। सिंपल है, नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट। इसको कॉपी करा हमने, आपका मान के चलो ये आपका वीडियो का लिंक। ओके, मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया, यहाँ पे वीडियो लिंक डाल दिया। फ्लोटिंग वीडियो नहीं, ऑफ चाहिए मुझे, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे आप देखो, ये यहाँ पे ऐसा एरर आ रहा है, ठीक है गाइस। बट ये एरर आएगा नहीं, ये यूट्यूब का इशू है, उनके प्राइवेसी पॉलिसीज के वजह से। आपको जब ये इसको आप सेव और पब्लिश कर दोगे ना, व्हेन यू सेव इट एंड पब्लिश इट, दिस एरर विल गो आउट। ओके, so this is very easy, guys. You can change anything you want. You can change anything, everything over here. If you want to, let's suppose यहाँ पे you are not able to see any privacy policy terms and conditions page. Let's suppose I want to add. So in the design blocks, you see there are a lot of things which I can add. I can add a footer also. See, I can add anything I want. Let's suppose I want to add this footer. I will add. See, यहाँ पे I have added. If I selected just that and this footer is added. Okay, I'll delete this. So let's suppose I want to add now more. Let's suppose refund policies. Okay, अगर मुझे refund policy add करना है, I'll choose and I'll select refund policy is added. And similarly, you can choose anything, guys. ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब it is not that कि only you can add in such and जिस तरह से मैंने ऐड किया है, it is not necessary कि आप भी इसी लेआउट में ऐड करो। आप कोई भी लेआउट चूज कर सकते हो। You can choose your layout. You can choose about us. You can choose see. Suppose that I want to add in a this two column view. Okay. So I can add in this two column anything if I want to add elements, sections, others. Okay, I can add coupon as well if you want to add coupons, you can add coupons, two columns. Let's suppose if I want to add two columns over here. Okay, delete this one. So in two columns now, whatever you want to add, you can add. Let's suppose I want to add contact us, no blocks. Okay, FAQs, frequently asked questions. You can add anything, guys. It's up to you. Okay, what you are feeling, and I believe everyone should go through their competitors first, what they are doing, how they are doing, and you should make that better. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can do. Okay, in the pricing tool, let's suppose I want to add this pricing here. I could have add this here. Okay, how it works. If I want to add how it works, I can also add step one, step two, step three. Okay, I can also add videos over here, guys. Okay, so this is how each and everything. So I'll just save it, and do remember, whenever you are doing anything, you are editing anything, you have to save it, because if you do not save it, it might get lost. Okay, you might be your all the hard work you did might not be captured and it is lost. So what I'll do, since my checkout page is created, I saved it and I'll publish it. Okay. So publishing is very important. If you'll not publish, the page will not go live. So publishing इसलिए important है, सेव करना क्यों important है मैंने बता दिया। सेव करोगी तो ही सारे चेंजेस आपके सेव रहेंगे। अगर पब्लिश नहीं करोगी तो पेजेस लाइव नहीं जाएंगे। So and for that thing you have to save it and publish it. Okay, guys. Now similarly, now what you need to do, you need to go to back to pages. Okay. I need to go to back to pages. Okay. Okay. It is taking some time. In the meanwhile, just let me ask everyone. Are you able to catch me? Am I going? Are you able to understand me properly? मैं ज़्यादा फास्ट नहीं हूँ. नो, पब्लिश विल नॉट बर्न एनी क्रेडिट. क्योंकि ये देखो, क्रेडिट्स तभी यूज होंगे जब आप एआई साइट बिल्डर का यूज करोगे, एआई मार्केटिंग इंजन का यूज करोगे ना. जो पेजेस, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपको दिखा देता हूँ यहाँ पे. इसको जब आप यूज ये जब आप यूज कर रहे होगे तो आपको यहाँ पे क्रेडिट्स लगेंगे. ये बाय मैसेजेस है ना, यहाँ पे जब आप कुछ करोगे तो यहाँ पे आपके ये क्रेडिट्स यूज होंगे. इसके लिए तो अब आपने इसको एक बार एडिटर मोड पे देखिए. एडिट करने के बिना, let me explain you. For editing also you have two options. You can edit it with the help of AI, but that will cost you credits. If I want to do some changes with the help of AI, I'll give a prompt. यहाँ पे अगर कुछ prompt दूंगा, और यहाँ पे प्रॉम्प्ट मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पे ही प्रॉम्प्ट दूंगा तो मेरे वो क्रेडिट्स कटेंगे? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये नंबर दिख रहा है, मना हो मुझे नंबर, बाई क्रेडिट का मैसेज ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, लेकिन वहां पे नहीं दिख रहा था. यहाँ पे मुझे नहीं दिख रहा था, तो यहाँ पे नहीं कटेंगे पैसे. वो तो अनलिमिटेड एडिटर है ना हमारा. कितने भी बार आप एडिट कर सकते हो, कितने भी बार आप चीजें वहां पे चेंज कर सकते हो, इसमें कोई पैसे नहीं कटेंगे. ठीक है. लेकिन ये जब पेज मैंने इससे क्रिएट किया, देखिए आप खुद ही सोचिए, आप लोग एक बार देखिए, ये सभी लोग, ये पेज जो क्रिएट हुआ है, मैं कोई न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, आई एम नॉट अ डाइटिशियन. आई हैव गिवन वेरी सिंपल प्रॉम्प्ट एंड the system has generated such a amazing wonderful sales page for me. This is the perfect sales page, I believe, if someone is looking for. See, okay, this is awesome, really awesome. Okay, I believe everyone agree with me in an elegant theme. Okay, so now do remember, very important, I have to create edit here. Now when I'll do edit, I need to choose the project. So guys, the project which we just created, we have to assign this page in a project now. The project which we created, which project which we created is six, I believe. Choose the See, this is the project which I have created. 6 Jan onboarding session part 2. अभी हमने यही प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था गाइस, तो आई विल चूज दिस प्रोजेक्ट. अब पेज नेम, व्हाट पेज नेम यू वांट टू गिव? आई वांट टू गिव इट निक सेल्स पेज. Page type. Now you guys have to let me know what are the page type I need to choose. I will not answer this question. I want in the chat box. Let me know what are the sales page. If you can just type here as sales page, great. Whoever have uh, has answered this. So just I'm giving options. What page I need to choose? Sales page, lead page, checkout page, thank you page. What page I should choose here? Anyone in the chat? Okay, anyone in the chat? Okay, no worries, guys. We have to choose the sales page, obviously, because we have created sales page. Then we need to choose the sales pages. Okay? And I'll click on publish. Once publish, what it will do, it will create this page. It will import this page into my projects. Okay, it will show me in the projects which I have created. See, it will show me here. I'll just wait for some time. Let it be finishing. Okay. सो आई होप गाइस यू आर कैचिंग अप विथ मी. मैं बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, क्लियर तरीके से आपको ये सारी चीजें एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहा हूँ. आई होप. ओके. नाउ अब since the page is successfully published, you have two options: either customize your page or visit your page. So do remember, now if I customize this page or view this page, I'll not be charged. मेरे credits खत्म नहीं होंगे. My credits will not go away. Because why it will not go away? because when I'll click on customize this page, it will open up in the Flexi editor. So editor is completely free of cost now. Okay, see, this is so beautiful page it has created. Okay, so and I am assuring you guys, if you wanted to create pages like this, such similar to this, it would have taken at least 4 or 5 days for you to figure out the content, figure out the photos, this kind of photos. You can choose anything. If even though you can choose this little photo over here as well. Okay, everything is changeable. See the font, guys. This is so elegant, so beautiful font it has came up with. Okay, before, after. Okay. Great. So the pricing is also there. So you can choose the pricing as per you. So now I have to move a bit quickly. So I'll just, you can choose, change anything here, guys. Okay. Just like I showed you. For example, if you want to change this setting, you can double click and you can choose any photo. Let's suppose I want to choose this girl. Okay. So see, this girl photo has came here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll simply save it. Publishing. Publishing is very important because saving is important because all the changes you made will be saved. And if you publish, all the things which you have published will be, which you have done will go live after publishing. Okay. So it is published now. Okay. So guys, we have finished the first section successfully over here. Now what we will do, now we will look into the integration parts. Okay, back to Flexi. Now we go to this. Okay. So guys, you can check out. This is the sales page. So see, yeah, this is the sales page. I have created Nick sales page through that AI site builder. I have created this page. Correct this. So it is showing me right now in my today's project, which is 6 Jan onboarding session 2 project, which I've just created. And now I have showed you how to create and edit. Okay, you can change the page settings, anything you want. Okay, see, also, you can see the analytics by here. You can go to the page by here. Okay, now I will show you guys about the, I'll let you know about the integrations in every part. First part is complete. So for that, let's take a look very carefully. We have to go to this section, okay, setting part. When we go to the setting part, there are tons of integrations which you'll come across. And these are very important integrations. You should not skip. We pay very clear, pay attention here. So this is autoresponder setting. Okay. And in all the pages, in every page, we have the instruction. If you are not able to see anything, you are not able to do anything, you are not able to understand, you should always go to see instruction. I'll show how. And this is the chat support button, which I'll be going to explain you very shortly, but not right now. Pay attention here right now. So, for example, see, this is autoresponders. So, what is autoresponder? Say, for example, if you are running a business, you need to share a lot of mails, a lot of content needs to be, shared to your audience or the person who visited your website or your customers. So, through autoresponders, you can, share those communication. You can set those communication. Basically, what you can do, you can set and choose an action, and what after taking that action, what message has to be delivered to that person. You can choose that. Okay. आई थिंक आई एम वेरी क्लियर. लेट्स सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल मैं हिंदी में भी बता देता हूँ guys. ये ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर सेटिंग इंटीग्रेशन इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपकी बहुत सारी चीजें ऑटोमेट कर देता है. अगर आप कोई प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहे हो, कुछ भी चीजें सेल कर रहे हो अगर, तो आपके क्लाइंट को, आपके यूजर्स को जो आपके वेबसाइट पे आए हैं या फिर आपके परचेस प्रोडक्ट परचेस कर लिया, उनको कोई ना कोई कम्युनिकेशन जाएगा गाइस। कैसे जाएगा? मेल पे जाएगा ऑब्वियसली। तो मेल पे कम्युनिकेशन जाने के लिए आपको एक एक्शन, अगर फॉर एग्जांपल किसी ने मेरे जो है ऑप्ट इन फॉर्म को फिल किया, अपना डिटेल्स पुट किया, तो उसको मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसको कुछ ही हेलो का एक ईमेल जाए, हेलो थैंक यू फॉर ऑप्टिंग इन एंड शोइंग इंटरेस्ट टू माय प्रोडक्ट। तो ये यहाँ से मैं सीक्वेंस कर सकता हूँ सारा चीज। ठीक है। ये इसके लिए आपको अपना ईमेल एक परचेज करना पड़ेगा, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव नहीं आता है, मेल चिम्प आता है, अभी तो ए वेबर का आता है, एक्टिव कैंपेन का, यू गेट एक्टिव कैंपेन ए वेबर, गेट रिस्पॉन्स एट वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस गाइस। ओके, send lane is there. Okay, there are a lot of options. You can just create, add a autoresponder, whichever one you have, you can choose it and connect it. Okay. Now, getting to the second part, which is webinar integration. So webinar integration, this is very important for the guys who is willing to go ahead with the course creation. Obviously, and I want to make clear everything, everyone here. यहाँ पे जो भी इंटीग्रेशन है सभी पे अगर आपको करने हैं, जैसे एक्टिव एक्टिव कैंपेन के इंटीग्रेशन ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर के आपको चाहिए, तो एक्टिव कैंपेन में पहले आपको अकाउंट बनाना होगा। Okay, you need to create their account, then you can integrate. Okay, add auto responder. Let's suppose Aweber का मेरे पास है, मैंने ले रखा है, I've taken purchase the Aweber campaign. So I'll go to Aweber. Now in the setting account name, my name is Nick. So if I choose on Connect, account name Connect, it will ask me to log in into Aweber. See, it has taken me now the login ID and password which I have of Aweber. I have to allow access and then I can do this. I hope I am clear, guys. Okay, क्योंकि email autoresponder आपने purchase करा होगा. You must have purchased that email autoresponder and you want to connect your autoresponder to your products and your projects. Okay, just 1 second, guys. I hope I'm able to explain everyone in a very clear way. ठीक है। सिमिलरली वेबिनार इंटीग्रेशन के लिए भी यहाँ पे भी अगर आपको इंटीग्रेट करना, ऐड वेबिनार, गोटू का ऐड करना है, गोटू पे जाना है, वहां पे अपना लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड डाल देना है। पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन, सो यहाँ पे पे फोकस, पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर आप कोई भी पेमेंट लेना चाह रहे हो, अब जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, अगर आप कुछ बिजनेस कर रहे हो तो पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो एड पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन, अभी मैं आपको डमी डमी पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन करके दिखाऊंगा। I'll show you how dummy payment integration is only possible via cash free payments. Okay. It- and for India, for taking payments in India, you have option to pay, choose Razorpay, cash free, and InstaMojo. But if you are working internationally and if you want to connect international payments, you need to use PayPal and Stripe, guys. Okay. So I will connect. Let's suppose I'll add a payment method. Connect. Okay. Now it has gone. See, now I'll go to the, you can see the instructions here and you can see the settings also here. Now I need to add this details over here. Account name, app ID, and security key. Okay. So similarly, see, here I have given account name, this and this. You can, so as this is a payment, dummy, you can add anything 0610 2026 app ID. So account name, app ID, secret keys will be given to you, will be provided to you by your payment gateway provider. Let's say Cashfree in my case, Razorpay, or PayPal, Stripe, anything you can choose. Okay, so this is how you will see. Okay, so I'll click it enable just for the demo purposes. So this is, you have to enable it. Okay, now I'll save it. So this is live. So if it is live, it will show you connected. But do remember here we have to, in this we have to choose the option of 0 rupees. Then only it will work. Okay. And for this, I am sharing you one document, guys. In the chat, I'm sharing you one document. kindly save this document. This is very important document. In this document, what it is, it will show you each and everything regarding. See, this is the document. If you are applying for the first time for any payment gateway, say Razorpay, Cashfree, or InstaMojo, you should follow these instructions. You must go through this page. Everything is mentioned here in detail. You should go through this, and also not also here also, but also as mentioned, as I have earlier mentioned in the FlexiFunnel tutorials. Uh, Wait a second. Let me show you the screen. The help section. Okay. You'll get this option. Okay. If you click here, you can go to knowledge base and everything. You must save this page. Very important. So if you have any doubt, any query, you can just put payment gateway, and it will come up with all the payment gateway resources which we have at our disposal, and you can go through the relevant payment doc, and you can go through it. Okay, guys. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So this is what we have created. Now we will move ahead with other integrations. So in other integrations, there are very easy Vimeo and Gumlet. So it is alternative of YouTube. If you do not want to upload your videos to YouTube and you are not comfortable with, you can use Vimeo or Gumlet as well. Obviously, you need to create the account there as well, as I showed you. Now, conversion API. Coming to conversion API, it is very important, guys. If not very important initially, but going forward, it will be very important. So what this conversion optimization API will do, it will track all the things from Facebook. Because suppose that if you are running ad on Facebook, you need to know how many sales, how many clicks you got on Facebook on your ad, how many impressions you got, how many, let's say anything, sales you got, or how many, whatever things, whatever data what is present, or impression, whatever thing which is happening in Facebook. If you want, you need to connect this conversion API so that you can track all these things. Because if you are spending money, you do not want to lose any data, of your client, because you need to connect them, you need to share the important messages to them. So this will be done through create conversion optimization. Obviously, if you click on connect, setting, you need to enter the account name, Facebook ID pixel, Facebook access token. So we have the video how to do this, and test event video. You'll get a secret key for you, which you need to put. Okay. Now coming to the domain integration. So first of all, in domain integration, you can add domain. I believe in the first example I showed you how you can add your domain. If you're not, if you're unable to understand, you can also always go to C instruction. अगर आप C instruction पे जाते हो, तो each and everything आपको domain integration के मैंने शुरू में भी आप लोगों को दिखाया था. GoDaddy का डोमेन कैसे इंटीग्रेट करते हैं, बाकियों का डोमेन कैसे इंटीग्रेट करते हैं. आई बिलीव आई हैव शोड यू गाइस वेरी क्लियरली. ठीक है. ठीक है. अगर जो डोमेन ऑलरेडी मतलब अगर हमारा डोमेन इंटीग्रेट हो गया, देन यहाँ पे स्टेटस में सिक्योर्ड दिखाएगा. ठीक है, देख रहे हो आप यहाँ पे सिक्योर्ड दिखाएगा. अगर ये सिक्योर्ड नहीं दिखाता है, वेरीफाइड या फिर सिक्योर्ड नहीं दिखा रहा है, तो मतलब आपको अभी वो डोमेन इंटीग्रेट नहीं हुआ है. आपको उसको क्लिक टू वेरीफाई करना है और वेरीफाई करके सिक्योर करना है. ठीक है गाइस. यहाँ पे दूसरा ऑप्शन ये है, ये देखो आप लोग, अगर आपको कोई डोमेन परचेज करना है इन फ्लेक्सी फनल, आपको टोटल यू गेट टोटल ऑफ 9 डोमेन एंड सब डोमेन. You can in one account you can add 9 domain or subdomain in FlexiFunnel, no extra cost. Okay, but if you want to add another domain, additional domain, you have to buy those domain slots. So if you want to add one domain, $20 is the price. If you want to add domains per domain, you need to pay $20 or subdomain. This is 315 700, 140, 10. Now I want to domain and subdomain. I want to give a clarity all you guys on domain and subdomain. So first of all, try to understand. Uh, let's take a very, very easy example, Google. So google.com is a domain name. HTTPS. Say for example, guys, can you tell me this is a domain name or subdomain name? HTTPS app.flexifunnels.com. Can anyone tell me in the chat if it is domain or subdomain? Anyone? Domain. Okay. 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 No, guys, this is not a domain. This is a subdomain. Why? I'll tell you. So see, domain name is if it had been HTTPS and then FlexiFunnels.com, then it had have been HTTPS. Only the address is FlexiFunnels.com, then it would have been domain name. अगर सिर्फ ये HTTPS के बाद FlexiFunnels.com होता तो ये आपका डोमेन नेम होता, ठीक है। लेकिन इसके पहले ऐप आ गया, app.flexifunnels.com, मतलब मेन डोमेन हमारा है flexifunnels.com और app.flexifunnels जो है वो सब डोमेन है, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक इजी एग्जाम्पल और दिखाता हूं। तो गाइस ये जो है ना, और ध्यान रखना ये जो www है ये भी सब डोमेन की कैटेगरी में आता है। आपने कुछ भी यहाँ पे डाला तो वो सब डोमेन की कैटेगरी में आएगा। तो अगर आप देखो ये www.google.com जो है ना ये भी एक सब डोमेन है गूगल का, ठीक है। आप यहाँ पे यहाँ www के जगह कुछ भी डालोगे ना, अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ आप google.com भी डालोगे तो ये यही पेज आएगा, देखो आप, क्योंकि मेन पेज ये है। गूगल ने क्या करा है, आप एक बार ध्यान से देखो, मेन डोमेन ये है google.com, https google.com, लेकिन गूगल ने क्या करा है, www.google.com जो है सब डोमेन उसको भी रीडायरेक्ट कर दिया है मेन डोमेन पे, ठीक है। दोनों का पेज सेम सेम लिंक ही ओपन होगा। लेकिन यहीं पे अगर आप कुछ दूसरा ओपन कर लोगे जैसे sheet.google.com या फिर drive.google.com, तो देखो आपको ये ड्राइव पे ले जाएगा, गूगल ड्राइव पे ले जाएगा, देख रहे हो आप। अगर यहाँ पे आपने कुछ और ट्राई कर लिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट सपोज sheet.google.com, ये गूगल का सब डोमेन है तो ये आपको गूगल शीट पे ले जाएगा, ओके। ये यहाँ पे अभी आ रही है जस्ट, पर ये यही आता है, जस्ट वन सेकंड। लेट सपोज maps.google.com, ठीक है, तो ये आपको गूगल मैप्स पे लेके जाएगा, ठीक है। क्यों? क्योंकि इसका ये एड्रेस है, तो हर किसी का डोमेन और सब डोमेन। तो इसी तरह से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर google.com एक डोमेन है तो फ्लेक्सी फनल पे आप 9 google.com ऐड कर सकते हो, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरह, या फिर टोटल, या फिर 2 google.com और दो map.google.com, दो drive.google.com, दो nitesh.google.com, कुछ भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो, अप टू 9 डोमेन या सब डोमेन वाइज, ठीक है। क्लैरिटी है आई बिलीव सभी को इस पे, ठीक है। ओके, आई होप एवरीबडी इज मतलब एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, सभी को चीजें क्लियर हो रही है, आई एम क्वाइट श्योर। नाउ दिस इज समथिंग डिजिटल एसेट। So digital asset is very important. Everyone, I want everybody's attention over here. तो डिजिटल एसेट वो सारे एसेट होते हैं जो हम यहाँ पे क्रिएट करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम कोई ई बुक वगैरह सेल कर रहे हैं या फिर अगर हम कोई कोर्स क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो हमें वो एसेट क्रिएट करना पड़ता है, ठीक है। अगर हम कोई ई बुक वगैरह अगर सेल कर रहे हैं तो वो एसेट हमें यहाँ पे आपको क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। कैसे? एसेट नेम आप डाल सकते हो, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल नेट 06 जैन एसेट, सेंडर नेम मेरा नाम, मैं सेंड कर रहा हूँ, या फिर अगर मैं कंपनी हूँ तो कंपनी का नाम डालूंगा। अगर मैं फ्लेक्सी फनल भी डाल सकता हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं अभी अपना नाम डाल रहा हूँ, नितेश। हाँ, ठीक है। वेरीफाइड डोमेन, आप अपना डोमेन यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं वेरीफाइड डोमेन पे, और यहाँ पे या फिर फ्लेक्सी का भी डाल सकते हैं, तो मैंने यहाँ पे फ्लेक्सी का छोड़ दिया है। ईमेल सब्जेक्ट, अगर आप कोई एसेट, इफ यू आर शेयरिंग सम एसेट टू योर client, if you are sending some asset to your client, then they must receive, they'll be receiving through email. So email ka subject you have to put. So you can put any email subject like best buy plan ever. Okay. यू कैन, अब यहाँ पे कंटेंट आप जो है क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के दो तरीके होंगे, एंड आई रिकमेंड एवरीवन टू टेक हेल्प ऑफ एआई। एआई का हेल्प लेके आप कंटेंट डेवलप करिए। वो बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट आपको डेवलप करके देता है। ठीक है, अगर आप एआई के हेल्प से कंटेंट डेवलप करते हैं। और दूसरा सेकंड चीज हो गया, अगर आप नहीं एआई का हेल्प ले रहे, तो हमारा मार्केटिंग इंजन जो है उसको भी यूज करके यू कैन यूज आवर मार्केटिंग इंजन ऑल्सो to create a very very optimized content for you, email content. Okay, so you can create a mail content to best thanks or using the best type ever. ठीक है, ऐसे। और जो एसेट का साइज होगा आपका, एसेट क्या होगा, हो सकता है वो पीडीएफ हो आपका, या फिर पीडीएफ के अलावा कुछ भी चीजें हो, तो आप यहाँ पे चूज कर सकते हैं। यू कैन डिसाइड एनीथिंग यू वांट। ओके, लेट सपोज मैं ये चूज करता हूँ। मैं पीडीएफ भी चूज कर सकता हूँ, कोई फोटो भी चूज कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे मैंने इसको चूज कर लिया, और मैक्सिमम 3 MB तक का ही चूज कर सकता हूँ। आई कैन अपलोड द एसेट साइज मैक्सिमम 3 MB। इफ इट इज एक्सीडिंग 3 MB, यू कैन कंप्रेस दैट। ओके, सो सी गाइस, हियर माय एसेट इज क्रिएटेड। Nick 06 Jam asset, Nitesh Sahu. The asset is created over here. Can you see that? Okay. ठीक है, now what you need to do is, now next is email setting. So email setting is very important. In email setting, what you need to do, the thing is, suppose that everyone must have purchased, a product through Amazon or Flipkart. I'm sure कहीं से भी आपने परचेज करा होगा प्रोडक्ट, तो देखा होगा आपने, whenever you purchase a product, after that if you just add that product to your cart and do not purchase it, or you have tried to purchase and your payment failed, so then someone came and tried to purchase your product. So now you got, okay, this was the person who tried to purchase my product. He has added to the cart, not purchased it, or he has tried to purchase, but his payment was unsuccessful. So I want him to share some email. I don't know what kind of difficulties he or she might be facing. So if I have that data, I can share an email. Hey, are you facing any difficulty? And let me know. हो सकता है उनको payment, if they might be facing, अगर, if let's suppose if that is a high value price, and he came to your sales page but did not purchase it. He clicked on purchase but did not purchase this. His payment failed. Maybe because of the payment option he wanted was not there that time with you. So you can and then talk to them, and discuss the options on the mail. So you can sequence that mail. If payment failed, what template you need to send. For card, abandoned cart, someone came to your cart and did not purchase, or clicked on your payment link and did not purchase, what mail you want. You can share up to 5, 6 mails in 24 hours. Okay, 5 to 6 different mail you can share it, and you can create the template over here. Okay, create mail, use email template name, email cart, email template, abandoned cart one, email can I help you, ऐसा जो भी यहाँ पे you have the options, you can create your option as well, and you have the options inside flexi also. Okay, Next is again email verification. So email verification is very important, guys. Email verification is something like you say example your business email. Let's suppose flexifunnels.com is my email, is my website. So my email ID is help at the rate flexifunnels.com. Correct. And add email and you have to attach your email to your domain name. Okay, that will be verified because a business email or any email has to be verified. And do remember, you need to have only business email over here. Okay, personal email will not be verified. Just remember. So you need to have the business email, add email domain, and you can add the email address, and then you can verify it. And if you want to know how, you can just see that check on the scene structure. There are complete video explaining how it is done. It is see, everything is explained in a very detailed manner, and this is hardly three and a half minute video. You can see and verify. Okay? Now this is account setting, guys. So account setting is used when if you want to change your subdomain name. So right now my subdomain name is tanay.flexipanels.com. You can change it anything to, let's say I want to change it to nitesh.subdomain.com or maps.flexipanel.com. You can change it, and the default currency also you can choose it. Say for example you are running this project in US market, so you do not want to get the payment in INR, no? You want to collect that payment in USD. You can choose USD. You can choose when euro, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, any currency you want. Okay, and the time duration also you can choose, because if you are running your this page in, let's say, in US, you do not want end time over there, right guys? Okay. So this is how these things will. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, so now as we have completed two sections, just one second. See, we have successfully created this one, we have covered this. Okay, now I want to show you a payment gateway. I have already discussed. I have shared you the this important thing, how your payment, and I've shared this document. I'll share this PPT as well, guys. To you, I'll also share this PPT to you. Do not worry. Okay. Now I will be sharing how you are going to create your first project. Okay. So now you see, guys, there is a product section. So here I need to add a new product, create a new product. So there you have two options, digital product and membership product. So if you're selling some kind of ebooks or any digital products, or you're selling any product, you need to select digital product. And if you are a course creator, if you are selling a course, you need to add this membership product. Okay, guys. I think I'm clear. Digital product, membership product. It is very clear, self-explanatory. Okay. So right now I'll be choosing digital product. So enter the product title, product name. Okay. I'm choosing digital product. So this is very important section, guys. Please pay attention. So here we will, what we will do, we have already created a product. Just one second. It is loading this. So I hope it is taking some time. So in this project, if you see, we have already tell you details about the products. Nick in sales page, we have the edit. Okay. So here you can choose product name. Let's say, um, what product I have created. Just okay, this is digital. Now you need to upload the product image. This is just the image which you are okay, image of the product. Do remember you're not uploading the product over here. You are just uploading the product image. Insert. And the product which we have already created is it's jam. Wait, one second. In digital asset, this is the asset name. This is the you will choose product name, digital asset, live. This is so see. Obviously, you do not want to pay uh, your product to be free. Obviously, it will attract a cost. There will be some charges you'll be charging because you're not doing free service. So we'll have two options: free product and paid product. Let's suppose if you want to share just for you use this free, if you are willing to make some giveaways, or you are you're if you are using it for lead generation, you are want to give just lead magnet or free trials, then you can use free product. Otherwise, if you are selling something, you always need to choose paid product. Okay? So in paid product, you can choose the currency INR, product price, one-time fee, or recurring pay your own price, one-time fee. Amount has to be zero. Why? Because I have not created my live that in the cash free, if you remember, I have created a dummy project and I hope everybody is following me. If you're not following, please follow me, guys, and start working with me. Because here it has to be zero. Because why? In dummy project, you cannot charge any money. So that's why we have to do price zero. This is just for demo purpose. I am showing, but obviously when your payment gateway will be live, we can put any price you want. Okay, Dave? Now I have set the product price. Now what I will do, I will edit one close, okay, edit the price, one time, next, next, price, okay, just 20 seconds. Okay, Price next. Yeah. So now I will choose the payment cash flow integration which I have chosen. Okay, which I have created just few minutes ago. This is 6 Jan 2026, which I have created. I'll connect with this. It is connected now. Okay. You need to connect. Okay. The price which you have to choose and the payment. You will not have such a long options. If you are working, you'll have only one option with you because you'll be working with you're having one or two payment gateways. So right now, as we are doing for the dummy purpose, for the onboarding purpose, we are seeing a lot of uh, created over here. But you do not need to worry about in the first page itself. It will come to you. So I have chosen this payment gateway. Okay. Now next, choose. See, this is very important. Select the project. The project because for which project I want to collect amount. This one it is. Okay. Just and select the sales page. Fix Jan sales page is Nick sales page because this is the sales page which we created through AI. Remember, guys? I hope you remember. So we will choose this one. Okay. Now going next, select a project. Now this is for sales page, guys. Obviously, ये sales page का तो यहाँ पे sales page का details हमने डाला. अब यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट जब हमने करा तो चेकआउट पेज का डिटेल्स हमने पुट करना है. तो चेकआउट पेज कौन से प्रोजेक्ट का था, वो भी सेम प्रोजेक्ट का था, ऑनबोर्डिंग सेशन पार्ट 2. एंड कौन सा पेज था, 6 Jan चेकआउट पेज. नेक्स्ट, नाउ यू सी सपोर्ट ईमेल आईडी. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस क्योंकि सपोर्ट ईमेल आईडी आपका होना बहुत जरूरी है. व्हाट इज दिस सपोर्ट ईमेल आईडी? दिस इज समथिंग, अगर मैं फ्लेक्सी फनल है मेरे पास तो मेरा सपोर्ट ईमेल आईडी है आपका help@flexiffunnels.com. उसी तरह से आपका कोई ना कोई सपोर्ट मेल आईडी होगी तो आप वहां पे अपना मेल आईडी help@flexi, ठीक है. अब डिजिटल एसेट कौन सा हमने क्रिएट किया था यहाँ पे, निक 6, ये वाला निक 06 एसेट, if you remember. ठीक है, ये एसेट हमने किया. फ्लेक्सी फनल वेरीफाइड डोमेन्स हमारा फ्लेक्सी फनल पे, तो सेंडर नेम मैंने चूज कर लिया. नेक्स्ट, ठीक है, सेव कर लिया मैंने. अब परचेज के बाद क्या होगा, ऑब्वियसली सेलेक्ट अ प्रोजेक्ट. यहाँ पे आफ्टर परचेजिंग सपोज समवन हैज टेकन अ परचेज, ही शुड लैंड टू योर थैंक यू पेज. So, which project? 6. Today is the project which we just created. We'll choose that project and we'll choose the thank you page. 06 Jan thank you page. Okay. Now we will. So see, there is also click on text. Now there is a bump offer. So what this bump offer is? Let me explain you very quickly. A bump, let's say, okay, I'll show you. So bump offer is suppose this is a kind of upsell, guys. Say for example, in Flipkart, if you've gone to purchase a phone, then automatically Flipkart give you a bump offer to purchase phone cover as well as phone screen guard and phone accessories like earbuds, charger to you. So that is what it is, bump offer, guys. So right now I do not want it, but I just wanted to show you can add. Say for example, if you are selling any bump offer, you can add any bump offers here. You can choose the product here, okay, and you can share. Okay, you can set the price also. Okay. Okay. Right now I'll not be showing because it will be too lengthy. Then so now we will be doing next. I'll be doing next. Rules are set. Cart abandoned. Yes. Okay. Next, I want to do next. Conversion API is setup done. Suppose that you have done the setup, then next. And then in stats, obviously, we'll see all the stats. Okay. Okay. So I hope whatever I have done till now, guys, it is very clear. Okay. So we have just created our product. Okay. Right. Now I will go back to the project section. Why I will go back to the project section? Because we have successfully attached और created our product. ओके हमने हमारा जो भी प्रोडक्ट था जो भी ईबुक था हमने फ्लेक्सी फनल के अंदर डाल दिया है उसका फोटो वगैरह सारा कुछ अपलोड कर दिया है जो भी इंटीग्रेशंस थे उसके वो सारे हमने कर दिए हैं अब हमें क्या करना है अब हमें उसको सेलिंग स्टार्ट करना है लेकिन गाइस सेल करने से पहले हमें उसको इस प्रोडक्ट को यहाँ पे लाइव भी तो करना होगा अगर फॉर एग्जांपल वो प्रोडक्ट हमें इस सेल्स पेज पे अटैच भी तो करना होगा ना हमने प्रोडक्ट अपना अभी तक मेरी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए आप लोग लिसन मी वेरी केयरफुली वी हैव जस्ट अपलोडेड एंड क्रिएटेड आवर प्रोडक्ट इनसाइड फ्लेक्सी फाइल बट वी हैव नॉट लिंक्ड आवर प्रोडक्ट टू आवर सेल्स पेज ठीक है तो वो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू राइट नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल जस्ट आई एम शोइंग यू so that you can have the clarity. Guys, I hope I am clear. Am I being too complicated? आप लोगों के लिए ज्यादा complicated तो नहीं हो रहा है? Let me know, guys. Okay, okay, okay. समझ नहीं आ रहा है. It's okay, guys. मतलब मैंने पहले ही कहा था थोड़ा सा complicated होगा आपको शुरू में. तो मैं एक बार कोशिश करता हूँ कि आपको समझाने के लिए थोड़ा सा जस्ट आई टेक 5 minutes ऑफ अ टाइम एंड आई एक्सप्लेन सो सी समझ इसलिए नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तो है मैंने आपको पहले बोला था अभी हम एक डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट सेल करने का फनल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं एंड टू एंड डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट हम सेल करने जा रहे हैं ठीक है तो हमने प्रोडक्ट जो है वो फ्लेक्सी फनल पे अपलोड कर दिया है अब उसको हम लिंक कर रहे हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट पे जिस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर वो सेल होगा मैंने पहले ही आपको बताया था थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग होगा बट यू हैव टू गिव सम टाइम और इसीलिए ये सारे ट्यूटोरियल्स हमने डाल रखे हैं आपको इसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी मिलेगा बार बार देख सकते हो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका वो ई बुक किसी को जैसे मैं आपके ये आपका वेबसाइट है अगर मैं यहाँ पे आऊँ तो मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूंगा तभी तो आपके प्रोजेक्ट वो प्रोडक्ट मुझे मिलेगा ना अगर यहाँ पे ये मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करता हूँ तभी तो जाके मैं वो अभी तो मैंने कुछ करा ही नहीं है यहाँ पे समझ रहे हो तो यहाँ पे हमें वो प्रोडक्ट अटैच करना है पहले जो प्रोडक्ट हमने फ्लेक्सी फनल के अंदर क्रिएट किया है जो ई बुक हम देना चाह रहे हैं डाइट के रिगार्डिंग में उसको हमें यहाँ पे अटैच भी तो करना पड़ेगा तभी तो वो जाएगा तो कैसे अटैच होगा गाइस ये देखो तो सबसे पहले आपको सेल्स पेज पे आ जाना है जो डाइट के रिगार्डिंग में हमने बनाया था गेट योर प्लान टुडे यहाँ पे आप आएंगे यहाँ पे क्लिक जब करोगे यहाँ सेटिंग में जाओगे अब यहाँ पे ये सेटिंग में जाना है आप और फोर्थ ऑप्शन गो टू वेबसाइट ये जो फोर्थ ऑप्शन है गो टू नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन द फनल अब यहाँ पे आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट चूज करना है यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हमारा प्रोडक्ट जो था गाइस वो हमें चूज करना है यहाँ पे ठीक है जो प्रोडक्ट हमने क्रिएट किया था ठीक है जस्ट वन सेकंड इट माइट टेक सम टाइम ये देखो ये एसेट हमने यहाँ पे ऐड करा था जैन हमने जो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे ऐड करा था आज वो है ये वाला निक 06 जैन एसेट ठीक है, तो इसको हमने चूज कर लिया। यहाँ पे जब हमने सेलेक्ट कर लिया इसको, फिर ये यहाँ पे आपका, यहाँ पे ये दिखने लगेगा। ठीक है, अभी हम इसको एक काम करेंगे, ऐड कर दिया हमने। अब इसको सेव करना है हमें। ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टैंड गाइस, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड मीन्स। बहुत इजी है। हमने अभी तक क्या करा था, अपना प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, प्रोडक्ट अपना क्रिएट किया। प्रोडक्ट मतलब जो ई बुक हमें सेल करना है वो हमने क्रिएट किया। लेकिन यहाँ से हमें अटैच भी तो करना पड़ेगा। अगर कोई इस लिंक पे क्लिक करता है तो वो ई बुक का नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाना चाहिए ना। तो गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन द प्रोडक्ट। ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो जाएगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप कौन सा होगा हमारा, ये इसको यहाँ पे क्लिक करने से ही प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिल जाएगा ना। उसको प्रोडक्ट कब मिलेगा, जब वो हमारा पेमेंट पे क्लिक करेगा। तो कैसे, अभी हमने ये सारा इसको पब्लिश कर दिया, यहाँ पे उसको अटैच कर दिया जो प्रोडक्ट हमने क्रिएट किया था गाइस। ठीक है, जो ई बुक हमने आज क्रिएट किया था उसको हमने अटैच करा। अब यहाँ पे इसको पब्लिश कर दिया। अब देखो, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल। अब यहाँ पे लेट्स सपोज कोई भी बंदा, इस पेज के यूआरएल मैंने आपको दिखाया था, तो कोई भी बंदा इस पे जाता है। ये लाइव है पेज पे। ये पेज आप चाहो तो आप भी ओपन कर सकते हो। मैं एक बार आपको लिंक शेयर करता हूँ। ये देखो, आप चाहो तो हमने जो अभी अभी क्रिएट किया है, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है गाइस, ये इजी है। मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, इजी है, बट टाइम टेकिंग है। मुझे भी पहले फर्स्ट टाइम में समझ नहीं आया था, मुझे भी टाइम लगा था गाइस। ठीक है, दिस वाज आल्सो टाइम टेकिंग फॉर मी एज वेल। बट यही है, थोड़ा सा टाइम दोगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा। प्रोडक्ट और प्रोजेक्ट थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग लगता है बट इजी है, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। हाँ, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा। करेक्ट। फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने पहले ही बोला है सेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले कि थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप। अब देखो, ये पेज फॉर एग्जांपल हमने ओपन कर लिया। अब लेट सपोज आपने फेसबुक पे ऐड रन करा। फेसबुक पे ऐड रन करने के बाद आपका ये प्रोडक्ट पेज पे वो बंदा लैंड करा। गेट योर प्लान टुडे। अब जैसे ही गेट माई प्लान टुडे आएगा, ये देखो, बेस्ट डाइट प्लान, आप खुद भी चेक करो, आपको वहां पे मिलेगा। यहाँ पे मैंने नाम मेंशन कर दिया है, मेरा मेल आईडी nitesh.s@flexiffunnels.com। अब मेरा फोन नंबर जो है ये, वो मैंने डाल दिया। अब प्राइस जीरो रखा है हमने इस प्रोडक्ट का, क्यों भाई? क्योंकि ये डमी प्रोजेक्ट है, ये हमने कोई प्रोजेक्ट तो अभी बनाया नहीं है, तो इसी की वजह से डमी प्रोजेक्ट है, तो जिस वजह से इसका प्राइस हमने अभी जीरो कर रखा है गाइस। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है गाइस। और ये फोटो हमने ऐड करा था ना, तभी तो ये फोटो दिख रहा था, आपको दिख रहा है? ये कहाँ ऐड करा था हमने? अपने थैंक यू पेज पे तो डाला था ना। सेल्स पेज के बाद कौन सा पेज दिखाना था? चेकआउट पेज। तो वही चेकआउट पेज तो आ रहा है ना आप जब क्लिक कर रहे हो तो। और यहाँ पे जब कंप्लीट ऑर्डर करोगे तो थैंक यू पेज पे जाएगा। कंप्लीट ऑर्डर, प्रोसेसिंग योर पेमेंट, थैंक यू पेज पे गया, आपने पे कर दिया, आपको थैंक यू पेज, और आपका एसेट आपके मेल पे चला गया गाइस। ठीक है, आपने ईमेल ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर जब सेट किया तो आपका एसेट आपके मेल पे चला गया। ठीक है, तो ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ, ये चीजें बहुत ईजी है। थोड़ा सा टाइम टेकिंग है गाइस। आई नो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बट टाइम टेकिंग है। एक एक बार में बहुत बार हो सकता है, आप दोबारा से देखना, आपको चीजें क्लियर हो जाएगी। मैं इसका जब रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करूंगा यू विल गेट टू नो। ठीक है, ओके गाइस। तो ये हमारा प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट हो गया। अब मैं अब आप मेरी बातें ध्यान से सुनो। अब हम आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें दिखा रहे हैं। अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो है वो सपोर्ट है। ठीक है, फ्लेक्सी फनल में जब भी आप काम करोगे, हमें पता है प्रोडक्ट इनिशियली डिफिकल्ट होता है, तो इसी के लिए हमने आपको अनलिमिटेड सपोर्ट दे रखा है। तो ये कैसे दे रखा है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ पे आपका चैट सपोर्ट है। ये देखो, यहाँ पे फ्लेक्सी फनल सपोर्ट है ना, ये जो चैट सपोर्ट का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है आपको, अगर आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करते हो, ये यहाँ पे आपको नाम, ईमेल आईडी और फोन नंबर मांगेगा। जैसे ही आप डालोगे तो ये एआई है। आप ध्यान रखना, ये ह्यूमन चैट सपोर्ट नहीं है, ये एआई चैट सपोर्ट है। But if you want to talk to any human, you just need to mention, I want to talk to a person. Then our person, a personnel will come and will guide you. Our support team will come and guide you here. Okay. Apart from this, if you are having any option, any issue, you will get the option to upload that photo, video up to 35 MB. Do remember, up to 35 MB, you can upload any photo, any audio, any video. So that if someone from the support team want more clarity on that, so you can upload the document so that we have the clarity what issue you are facing and what resolution you want. Okay. Second thing is book a call. So guys, book a call is very important thing. This is a live one-on-one Zoom call support with you. This is not one-to-many. This is one-to-one Zoom call. And you can book as many Zoom calls as you want. But for before booking the Zoom call, we have the understanding that you have the basic understanding of our platform. That's why we suggest you to have a basic understanding, go through the platform, have a little basic understanding, then our support team will able to help you see. I have clicked here and then I get the option to chat with four of our members. I can schedule a call, but do remember, here call will not be scheduled immediately. It will always be booked in 2 or 3 days in advance because today's schedule has already been booked. Okay. Say for example, if I wanted to book a call with Nikita, the next slot available is 7, that is tomorrow, 10 a.m. I can book that. I have to mention my name, my email ID, my phone number, anything. If you are willing to have, you're going at us with us on a one-on-one call. If you want us to prepare something on your doubt, you can let us know. You can let us know you are a coach, freelancer, local business, not creator, not clear, so that we have the clarity how we are going to help you. If you want in Hindi, English, or both, you can choose the option here as well. So, and you can book even. If you book, your call will be booked, and then you'll get a reminder so that you come and have that discussion. Okay. Apart from this, guys, apart from these two, you also have the option help@flexifunnels.com. Keep this mail ID handy. Help@, I'm just writing on your help@. Oh, you can mail us to this mail ID if you are having any doubt, any issues, any problem you are facing. You can write us anytime to this mail ID. Even you can attach the video, you can attach the link of the problem you are having, and we will connect with you. Our team will connect with you and we will fix your problem. Okay? Great. Now, next thing is, even though you are having some difficulties, you have this option. You see knowledge base. In knowledge base, you have option to submit ticket. From here also, you can submit a ticket. You can mention all the things and you can submit the ticket. And we will come back to you and we will fix the issue which you are facing. Guys. Okay. Now, I want to give you a little introduction about the app section. Here, in the app section, see, I have already mentioned and showed everyone what our AI site builder is and what it can do. Okay. It can save you a lot of time. And I want everyone to go through these tutorials at least, because until and unless you go through these tutorials, it will be difficult for you to understand. But just 1 second. Now, very important thing is timeline domination base. Say, for example, if by any chance you have not gone through that video, you have to go through timeline domination. This is very important. And for beginners, we have created shortest path to success. In shortest path to success, if you are a freelancer, you have to cover these 6 lessons. Okay. If you are a course creator, you have to cover these 8 lessons. Eight. Okay. And if you are any local businesses, you want to if you are any local business, you are a dentist, you are a doctor, you want lead generation or anything, you have to go through this local business option. And if you are a course creator, obviously. But do remember, this is not the entire thing. This is just starting. This will give you a basic layout of how to start and where to start, and the next thing, what you need to do. Okay. I hope I'm clear, guys. But in timeline domination also, I recommend everyone to go through this flexi funnel tutorial thing. This is very important because here you'll get everything if you want to work, and that's why I'm telling give 7 to 15 days. I am guaranteeing you in 7 to 15 days you will be as capable as me. Because I have also got only 7 days of time when I joined FlexiFunnel to learn all these things. Okay. And this is not difficult. Trust me, this is time taking but not difficult. Okay. And even though if you are having some difficulty, अगर आपको कोई problem आ रही है, you can book one-on-one Zoom call with us. You can come at any platform. You can let us know anytime. We will be able to help you. So nothing to worry about this. Just go through these things. You'll come to know everything. Apart from that, if you are a course creator, I told you, 15-day first sale challenge is very important. This immediate traffic secret is very important if you want to learn Facebook ads. Now, affiliate marketing is there. If someone is freelancer, another important thing I want to tell you here in the search option, you can search with anything. Let's suppose Saurabh sir has answered 2000 plus questions here. Let's suppose I do not have any product, no product. Sir, I have recently started SSMM. I have no product or services to sell. How could I start? This is also what we have provided. So this is really a gold mine, guys. I request every one of you to go through timeline domination and have some learnings. Okay. So sir has told, but okay, it's okay. And now and then we are running so many sessions every now and then. You can come, but 15-day first day challenge is very important for course creator and also for most of the people. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Great. So now I'll cover few things. First of all, see what is marketing engine. Let me show you. So in marketing engine, you can create a campaign. See, these are the campaign which we have already created. You can see. So let's suppose Herbal Life is a campaign. You can see view campaign. You need to create a campaign, but as I have already created, I am just showing you. This is very easy, and the tutorials is here. AI marketing engine. If you go to the AI marketing engine, that complete tutorials is given over here, guys. Okay, so you now what you can do. See, he has created ad hooks. He has created the ad hooks. See, these are the ad hooks which we have provided him with the help of Facebook. Sorry, AI marketing engine. And this is really amazing, guys. You just go through it. Don't try this weight loss approach if you're happy with struggling through another failed decision. So these are very intriguing, and you can do anything. Lots of things you can do. So let's suppose, for example, you can add new tasks. Email content. See, you can create email marketing content. You can create ad copies, ad hooks, sales strategy, upsell ideas. You can create sales page, complete sales page, webinar page. You can create. Okay, video ad script you can create. Post webinar WhatsApp sales message you can create. Webinar page copy you can create. Sales page copy you can create. There are a lot of things which you can create this. So this is really important, and that's why I'm emphasizing. Please go through the training. Try to understand. In one onboarding session, I will not be able to cover each and everything, but that's why I'm giving you an overview. Okay? It is a it is much time saver for you. And this lead navigator is very important for freelancers. If someone is into freelancing, this is very important for you. So see, in this you see the dashboard. Total leads we have 100, hot 64, and job search 90. But right now you will have 0, 0. But then you will have this. You can find new leads. So how to find new leads? You can find let's suppose I'm a freelancer and I want to provide services to restaurants or hotels or real estate agents, the real estate. And my location is I want clients from Noida location. or Bangalore location, or let's suppose New Delhi. New Delhi location. How many leads I want? I want 5 leads. So if I click search, it will create me insufficient credits that is showing me. But for you, you will have the credit. You can search those. Okay. And so is here lead manager is also there. You can see a hot lead. Let's these are the leads which we have found. Okay. So cutting zone men's hair salon number. Now why? So see, this is company name, contact information, business type, status, quality, score, and actions. So quality is hot. Why quality is hot here? Because we have lot of options to do here. That means he does not have see he does not have any website here. So there is a potential opportunity for me as a freelancer to create a good website for him, even though I can go ahead and pitch him course creation. If you want to create any course regarding hairstylist, I can do that. So that's why you can see the details over here. His contact details is here. You can call him, connect him. Okay. You can edit, reach out, you can reach out to them as well. Okay. There are a lot of things, guys. Okay, these are the job agents. So job search is something, let's suppose if you are looking for any freelancing project in any particular field, you can search the field here and you can search max 20 result. You'll get the latest jobs on that field, just like this. Okay. Okay. So, guys, I hope I have tried to explain. I have covered most of the important points, which is important for you. Now, the very next important link for you is this link. I want everybody to save this thank you page. Why? Because in this thank you page, you see, there are all the steps what you need to follow. There is lot of links as well. Link of weekly live Q&A session which we are session. Every week we are launching a live Q&A session, guys, for you guys. Okay, so you can register here. Facebook, if you want to join our Facebook doers community, you can join through this link. If you want to join our WhatsApp community, which I recommend also to everyone because that is really important. You can join through this link. You can join FlexiFunnel private WhatsApp channel through this link. Okay, check out all the trainings, FlexiFunnel trainings and knowledge base through this link. You can log into your FlexiFunnel account through this link and book a free customer success onboarding guidance call with our expert with this link. Okay? And this is for our service. And guys, trust me on this. I know right now on this onboarding session, many of us would feel like, yeah, गाइस मुझे तो बहुत कुछ समझ नहीं आया, मुझे तो 50% ही चीज समझ आई, या किसी को हो सकता है 50% भी चीजें समझ ना आई. बट दैट्स ओके. द थिंग इज फर्स्ट टाइम में नहीं है. मतलब हार्डली 5 to 10% पीपल होते हैं जो इस बैकग्राउंड से होते हैं, तो उनको ये चीजें बहुत आसानी से समझ में आती है. But if someone is from very different background, this is really difficult for them to understand all the things. But you can understand, I have to explain you so that when you go home and watch this again and again, you have the clarity and you have the knowledge where to go, where to log in, where to see things, how I can reach out to support, from where I can take help, guys. Okay. So from that point of view, and trust me, guys, if you go through this, we have lot of our success stories. Click here to download the contract. Okay. Special timeline domination notes. Okay. All this, just explore this link once. Okay. We have lot of success stories here as well, guys. Okay. And I'm sure you guys must have seen that. And for everyone, someday there must have been a day one for everyone. So don't be disheartened. Don't lose your confidence just because you're not able to understand this session. Because trust me, guys, uh, however time I'll able to make you understand in the first time, it will always be difficult to grasp everything on the first time. Try to understand it. Okay. But that's what I told and I emphasized. If you continuously give 7 day or 15-day time on a continuous basis, I am 100% sure with the support level which we have, with the one-on-one support also, which we have, you will be able to clarify all these things. Otherwise, it would not have been possible for us to get so many success stories. Okay. So now, guys, let me know if you have any doubt, any questions. If you want to ask, you can raise your hand. I'll take questions from you guys. Okay, I'm sharing the presentation link as well in the chat so that your guys are handy. You can save this links, and after today, you will get all the onboarding session details also. Guys. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any questions, I'll give you 5 minutes of the time to figure out and let me know if you have any queries or any issues, any questions you want. Okay, okay, guys. So considering you have we have resolved all your questions, so I am ending this session on a high note, on a good note. I hope everybody. So see, email plan, what right now I don't think so. You need to spend a lot of money in purchasing email plan, because there are right now there are a lot of email service providers which are there in FlexiFunnel. You just go through the autoresponders and you'll find most of them is providing up to 100,000, up to 100 leads, free messages, and it's you can take anyone. Many are good. Mailchimp is good. Aweber is good. Uh, uh, Active campaign is very good, one of the best. So it's totally up to you guys. You can choose anyone right now. And if suppose, let's suppose if that is not computer, that is not good for you, you can always change your service provider. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? If someone have any questions, please let me know. Okay, but guys, I want everyone just wait for a second. 15-day challenge. You must attend 15 days challenge, guys. It is starting. Because I understand in 2 hour session you cannot understand everything. Try to understand, guys. I have just given you overview how things are done, but you need to do it on your own. You need some time. Okay, okay, okay. If you have any questions, I have already showed you. I'll show you once again. Just wait for a minute. You can always reach us out in the chat support. Okay? You just need to write your name, email ID mention, and you can put down any questions you have. Okay? You can put down any questions you have. Okay, and explore the platform once, and do not forget to go through the knowledge base, video tutorials, timeline domination. These things are will help you most in the first 15 to 30 days. Okay. Uh, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate everyone. I appreciate your patience. I know for you it might not be an easy journey. It not might have been an easy session for you to understand everything, but you stayed with me for this long. That means you are really serious for your business, and so are we, guys. I just want to assure you, we are also serious for you for your business. So stay with us and reach us out. You have any problem, any do not I would recommend you to reach us out to the proper channel which I showed you for the proper help. Okay. 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 Thank you so much, guys. On a good note, best of luck, everyone. I wish you all of you very best of luck and all the success you achieve through our platform. Thank you so much, guys.